Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, also linked list of string from say Palindrome. Today's problem statement is very easy, so don't skip these videos. Watch till last end. Go to problem statement. In problem statement, you have given a linked list with string data. Okay, and what do you have to find? You have to find first. You have to combine the linked list to string, then check the combined string is palindrome or not. If palindrome, then return true. If not, then return false. Okay, now go to whiteboard, understand. First, we have to understand what is palindrome. Palindrome means if you reverse a string, the string will be same. If you reverse from forward or backward, always same. That is called palindrome. Let's say like this: A, B, C. Okay, and like from here A, B, C. This is string, and if you count from this forward to backward a b c, these are same, and if you count backward to forward a b c, same. So like this is called palindrome. Now go to example 1. In example 1, this is our linked list given. What we have to find? We have to find first we combine this linked list. After combining, it will be like this: A, B, C, A, B, C, D. We concatenate or combine, you can say. And here D, C, B, D, C, B, A. And first we will count from this side: A, B, C, D. Okay, these are string A, B, C, D. These are same. Now count backward to forward: A, B, C, D. Same, no change. So these combined string are palindrome. This is our palindrome. So in output it will show true. That's it. Now go to next example. In next example, this is string. First we combine this linked list into string. Okay, A, B, C, these two nodes, and these two nodes D, B, A. I move one step forward because first it will like this. Before combining, it will like this: ABC and DBA, like this. And after concatenating means combine, it will like this: A, B, C, D, B, A, like this. After combining, so I have write down here like this. Okay, now next step is, now check it is this combined string palindrome or not. In this you can see A, B, C, D. Okay, now from backward, you if you count A, B, C, D, A, B, D, sorry, A, B, D. Okay, C is missing, so it is not palindrome. It is in output, it is return false, to return false. If suppose it what is why it is not palindrome, because there is missing C. If it is like this: A, B, C, A, B, C, D. Okay, and from backward A, B, A, B, here will be another node. If here will be another node C, another C, then it will like this: A, B, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. From forward to backward and backward to forward, the string value will be same in that case. So but in given linked list, there is not C, so it is not palindrome, so it will return false. What is the time complexity and space complexity? Time complexity is O of n, and space complexity also O of n. Why? Because we traverse the linked list at once. Okay, now go to code. In code, first we define a node. So we declare self data and self next. Then we compute from to convert the linked list to string. Combine, then after combine string, then we check palindrome or not of traversing the combined string. If find combined string or palindrome, then it will return this. Okay, now compile and run, and now submit. We solved today's problem. I hope this video is helpful to you. See you next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.